गो दिखा रहा है।
Yes, which one?
सर मैंगो। सर वेंट। सर पर वो दिखा रहा है।
London on yes.
मैरीगोल्ड।
No, bete. This one is right. Did Mary go to London on train yesterday? This is the right answer because in yesterday means we are talking about past indefinite tense. So when you are talking about past indefinite tense, you should write did Mary go to London on the train yesterday? Where dash Sra live?
सर गो आएगा।
Yes.
सर सर वेंट नहीं आएगा।
In 14th question. In 14th question.
डिड मैरी वेंट नहीं आएगा।
हैं? You are talking about 13th question number?
सर इसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
किसका?
सर 13 क्वेश्चन।
मैं लगा तो दिया बी। डिड मैरी यस गो। डिड के साथ हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। ओके। वेयर डैश सरा लिव। विच वन इज द राइट आंसर?
सर क्या है? सर डू। सर इज। सर इज। सर डज। सर इज।
दिस इज द राइट आंसर। डज। वेयर डज सरा लिव? क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. फादर
सर एवरी सर फादर कुक डिलीशियस पास्ता एवरी इवनिंग।
फादर कुक्स डिलीशियस delicious
फादर कुक्स डिलीशियस पास्ता।
yes cooks delicious pasta every evening.
एवरी सर।
हाँ जी
सर
बोलो
सर
बोलो।
ये भी लिख सकते हैं सर एवरी इवनिंग फादर कुक्स डिलीशियस पास्ता।
No problem bete. First one thing I am telling you, you should make that person subject which is important. Father is important, so you should write
Yes, sir.
father first. Father is important here. Okay, so here my brother.
My brother wants to be an astronaut.
Very good. My brother wants to be an
astronaut.
astronaut. Full stop. My brother wants to be an astronaut. Full stop. Bete full stop is
Astronaut.
yes. I always dash before bed. I always dash before bed.
सर थोड़ा सा नीचे करना। Read.
Read is the right answer. I always read before bed. Mohan is dash than Sohan. Which one is right?
सर वाइजर। सर बी वाइजर।
Second wiser.
सर पूरी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही आपकी। सर थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो। सर जूम आउट कर दो थोड़ा। सर दिख रही है। वाइजर।
पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए आप। ऐसे मत बोलो। Anyone? कहाँ चले गया?
कैसे निकलेगा?
पता नहीं कैसे आएगा अब मुझे। I don't understand. You people are saying like this and I did. Lo, everything is gone. In the first we have written writer.
राइटर।
Second
राइटर। Right. Second.
moon,
Correct.
third,
Sir, moon.
fairy,
Right.
fourth,
Fairy.
this one, fifth, this one, sixth, this one, seventh, this one, eight, this one, nine, this,
Right.
10,
Cry.
yes,
Cry.
11, have, 12, there are, 13,
Did Mary go? Did Mary go?
does, we have to write,
Pasta. Delicious pasta. Delicious pasta.
father, cook,
सिर्फ वॉइस सेटिंग भी होती है
delicious,
पास्ता सिर्फ वॉइस सेटिंग कर लो
pasta,
every evening
every evening.
every evening
Clear?
सिर्फ वॉइस टाइपिंग कर लो
हैं?
सिर्फ वॉइस टाइपिंग कर लो सर जल्दी जल्दी हो जाएगा सर जो आप बोलोगे वो दिखाएगा
नहीं नहीं कोई बात नहीं. My brother,
और
my brother wants to be an astronaut. Clear? I always, Mohan is wiser, Saina is one of the best badminton player in the world.
सर बस यहाँ तक हुआ
Yes, workout is necessary
for health for
Okay, let me read. It is I am thinking I should write Bunny Deep. Bunny Deep कौर
सर ये तो मार्क्स में जुड़ जाएगा
नहीं बिटेगा अब तो पेपर चेक है
सर सिर्फ
बट बनी यू आर रोल नंबर 42
सर फोन नंबर लिखो सर फिर याद रहेगा
44 phone number I will write myself.
यस सर
Date today's date. Today is September 8.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yes.
सर कॉल नहीं लगता
हैं? Okay. I am going to submit the question paper.
अरे बानी जी पढ़ना से कोई भी लगता हो
Let us see.
कुछ नहीं लगता
View score 15. It is showing 50. Okay. So let us see which one is wrong. Let us see which one is wrong. This one is right. This one is wrong. Up around the world in 80 days.
सर मेरा भी यही गलत किया
Okay. Adventures.
सर मेरा एडवेंचर ही सही गया था
Third one. Fourth, fifth, right. Fifth one is right. Sixth one is right. This one. Babies cries. No, it is wrong. No. This is wrong, bete. This is wrong. ये wrong है. Cry आना चाहिए. हाँ. Cry होना चाहिए इसमें. ये सारे सही है. ये भी सारे सही है. ये father cooked delicious pasta every. Why it is wrong? One thing I am telling you. Why it is wrong? Because we have done F capital. Yes, so that is why it is showing wrong. So this one is my capital M capital we have done. So that is why it is showing wrong. Okay, all the questions same. It means 2 and 3. 3 गलत हैं. ये जो है ये भी गलत आपने लोगों ने करवा दिया जे. So let us see. This is clear to all of you. We will do. No problem. Okay, boys and girls. Now we are going to do your lesson. Expert detective. Yes. Bete, one thing I am telling you, expert detective from the beginning we are going to start. This lesson we have read or not? One part we have read. Bunny,
सर आप देखो ऐसे के
from the beginning we have to start, na? Okay.
थोड़ा जूम
कितना होया जी?
सर जूम हमारा हुआ ही नहीं है
अच्छा अच्छा, from the beginning we have to start, है ना?
यस सर
Okay, boys and girls, there are three characters in this story. One is Nishad. Nishad is 7 years old, and one is Maya. Maya is 10 years old, and they are talking about Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath. They are talking about Mr. Nath. Nath is very thin, and there are scars on his face. There are scars on his face, and he lives in a room, and nobody comes to meet him. Nobody comes to meet him, and so many things they are discussing. They are discussing about Mr. Nath. So they are behaving like expert detectives. Whereas Maya is telling Mr. Nishad that he is a crook. But Nishad is saying we cannot say anything. First, we should come to know about him. We should come to know about him. So let us start very beautiful lesson. Nishad, a boy of 7, also called 7, because his name means the seventh notes of the musical scale. You know very well musical scale. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. है ना? So seventh. Yes, 7 notes of musical. Yes, 7 notes. That is why he is called 7. But his name is Nishad. His name is Nishad. Yes, and his 10 years old sister Maya, very curious about one Mr. Nath. She was very curious. She wanted to know about Mr. Nath. Who was he? Why he is so thin? Why there are scars on his face? Then one day the children's marble rolls into Mr. Nath's room. One day what happened? One of the marble rolled into Mr. Nath's room, and Nishad gets a chance to see him. And Nishad has gone inside the room, and he got the chance to look into his room. Is he a crook on the run? Is he a criminal on the run? Why is his face badly scarred? Yes, and there are so many scars on his face. Why has he no friends? Why he has no friends? Nishad's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nath as a patient who is very polite. And mother, Nishad and Maya's mother is a doctor, and she knows Mr. Nath, and she tells them he is a very polite person. He is a very polite person. Expert detectives. Number 1, part 1. As we walked back towards clinic, 7 said, he does not look anything like a monster, Maya. He does not look like. He is not looking like a monster. Actually, one thing I am telling you, Nishad did not want to come to the conclusion without any investigation. But did you see how thin he is? But he is a very thin person. Maybe he is very poor and cannot afford to eat. And even he is very thin. I hope that he is not able to eat. He cannot able to afford his meal. He cannot be poor. if he is a crook on the run. I told him he cannot be poor because if he is a criminal on the run, that is why I told him. Who is I here? Maya. Maya is telling all the things to Nishad. He has probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Yes, he has millions of rupees.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes, boy.
सर ईशान कह रहा है कि हिंदी में भी समझा दो.
बेटे हिंदी में समझाऊंगा तो फिर थोड़ा सा प्रिंसिपल मैडम गुस्सा करते हैं. She is saying your English teacher only speak in English in the class. You try to speak, you try to understand. Am I clear to all of you? If there is difficult word meanings, I will tell you in Hindi, but otherwise I don't want to speak in I don't want to speak in Hindi. Madam is madam. I want to tell you, madam is very. She is saying you should not speak in. Even principal madam is saying to science teacher, social science teacher, math teacher, you should speak at least more than 95% English in the class. More than 95%. SST, science and math. English people, they will speak in English only. So if I will not speak English, who will speak English in the class? I am your English teacher. So difficult word meanings I will try to convey in Hindi, but rest of the things I will describe in English only, explain in English only. Clear to all of you? Yes.
Yes sir.
Good. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? Actually, Nishad is asking Maya, do you think he is a real criminal? He does not look like one. Nishad looked doubtful. Nishad is doubtful right from the beginning that Mr. Nath is not a criminal. He is not a criminal. Understand? Of course, he is one. 7. Yes. 7. He is one of the criminals. Maya is saying. Maya had come to the conclusion that he is criminal. I said, and he certainly is not starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meals up from the restaurant downstairs, and someone has told Mr. Mehta. Mr. Mehta has told them that he has brought. Mr. Ramesh has been bringing. Mr. Ramesh brings his meals from the restaurant. He is not a poor person. He is not a poor person. A poor person cannot afford restaurant's meal. So that is why he is not a poor man. Yes, you can see here is Maya and here is Nishant. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he does not work anywhere. So how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad asked. Actually, there is a doubt in Nishant's mind that if he is not working anywhere, how he can arrange restaurant food? So he is asking his meal to bring from the restaurant. Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere. Exactly, I exclaimed. I exclaimed means Maya exclaimed. He has a lot of money. He has deposited in his room, maybe in that trunk of in his room. Perhaps he has deposited, he has stashed away so much money in that trunk. It is probably full of silver, gold, and jewels, and means so many things. Perhaps he has gold, silver, jewels, so many things. What rubbish? Nishant interrupted. Nishant interrupted that. What rubbish you are talking about? What rubbish you are talking about? I know I am right, stupid, I told him. Who is I? Maya. Maya told Nishant that, oh, stupid, you don't know. I am right. By the way, Seven, did you see his scars? Scars means there are some scars on the face. There are some scars on the face. So, yes, I could not. It was too dark. So, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. So she was saying, कि I can bet on that. So there are scars on the face. It has come. He has got from the shootout with the police and someone else. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burn scars. Mummy told us because their mommy is doctor and that Mr. Nath is coming to get medicine aid from his mother, from their mother. Nishan said firmly, yes, mummy told us they are the burn scars. Perhaps the police had to set his house on fire to force him out. Maya is saying, perhaps police has to set his house on fire. I suggested. Seven looked unsure. Actually, that person